There's a total of 50,000 taxis, or there should be a total of 50,000 taxis on the streets of New York. I can tell you right now there aren't any. Also, the railroads are closed down, the subways are closed down. I mean, billions of dollars has been spent already, or I should say lost, because of the preparations. Boy, the Weather Bureau guy better be right, or he's going to get tarred and feathered and dragged out of town, on a rail or something or other. The city, which is 8.5 million people, the greater New York City area, which is 35 million people, that's all closed down. It's absolutely amazing. I feel like I'm living in a science fiction movie. Living in Manhattan, you have the advantage of being in a high-rise building. I mean, for instance, we live on the 18th floor of the apartment house building, so I don't really have to worry about being flooded. But we did, like so many other people, get a little extra food yesterday in the supermarkets, which, by the way, were absolutely packed, just in case this thing went on more than a couple of days. But everybody is going to be home. I mean, the kids are not going to be in school, so that means the parents can't go to work, and even if they could go to work, there's no way to get to work. I mean, this city is really shut down.